guys, it's Eric with Midgard Arms. I want to tell everybody I have a Merry Christmas this year. It's right around the corner. FedEx got me busier than crap. But I wanted to show you guys a video. Kind of been doing this at night between working all day long and trying to get a few hours of sleep to wake up and hit the grindstone for delivering packages. Trying to get that stock for my 7 mag finished. So, if you guys remember from an earlier video, I showed you guys I used a different bedding compound than I normally do. Ended up not being able to get this action and barrel out of the stock when I was glass bedding my 7 mag, and I had to get a new stock. And I mentioned to you guys in my 25-284 Richards microfit gun stocks video that I was going to get one of the factory seconds, and it was $59 with some tax and or with some shipping, and I think it was less than it came out less than $100 for the stock. So, like I said, between getting off work late and staying up late and getting up early, I did this piece by piece. Sorry I didn't film it to show you guys how it was going, but middle of the night, all my kids are sleeping, everything else. So this is it. So this is their economy grade factory second Claro walnut, and this right here, if you see that, is what makes it a factory second. Beautiful straight grain piece of wood. And on this one I did a True Oil finish on it. Been using True Oil last couple stocks, and I used to use it all the time when I was redoing stocks. And I don't mind it. It's not as classic or professional as a boiled linseed oil finish, but it still looks good. It's a polymer based kind of linseed oil-esque product, and it works really good. And I mean, look at the shine. I love the nice deep bluing in this exhaust of a Mauser. This one here has the double set triggers, as you can see. One in the back. Actually, make sure you guys know it's empty. So you can pull the one in the front. Real heavy trigger pull. Cock it back. You can push this one in the back. You hear a click, and then literally less than a pound. So, nice figure on the cheek piece here. And I had them add this here. This was an extra 20 if you would have got just the stock. That part would have been $59 plus shipping. It's like $14 to ship or $17 to ship. I added this, so it was just under $100 with all that stuff. I had them send me a couple other things, but just for the stock with the 1-inch recoil pad, Packmeyer white line, just under $100 shipped. So just want to show you guys the quality of that. This is the Richards microfit factory seconds. This is their economy grade. I think I'm going to, my next stock project, I'm going to try maybe the exhibition grade, or maybe not quite the exhibition grade, but maybe a grade A fancy or double A fancy grade factory second, see what it comes down to. So with this here, as you can see, this is like a knot that was in the wood, and that was, you know, it was not necessarily cracked all the way through, but there was like a drying check is what they call it. It's essentially where the wood, when it dried up, kind of pulled away right there and caused a little crevice. And to fill that in, very easy. If you get these and you need to fill it in, you can use any kind of lacquer finish or something like that. You can put it in there, piece by piece, sand it, you know, drop some bits in there, sand it all down, let the sanding dust mix in there if you want to. But on this one I just use super glue. I just got the liquid super glue from the not the gel stuff, but the liquid stuff from the dollar store. Put a couple dabs in there, let it sit for a minute, sand it, let the sanding dust mix in with it, completely fills it in. And to me, it gives it a little character. I like it. I'm not going to do any checkering on it or anything like that. I don't think the checkering would take too well on that. Probably catch one of those lines and veer off and get all messed up. But it's not quite done. I'm going to do a inlay here on this side, kind of resemblance of a Weatherby, some diamond shapes, maybe a little, what do they call those, a spade or something, diamond into a spade with some other colors. I got some red heartwood, some purple heartwood, and some black palm that I'm going to be doing that with. And then right here, I still have to put in a recoil lug support, and what I'm going to do is get a mosaic pin as soon as I get some time, and come through, put a mosaic pin right there. Just add some beauty to the stock. I mean, I think it's beautiful the way it is, but just add a little bit more flair. I like to add some flair, some subtle touches and things that you can look at and say like, hey, that guy put some real effort into that. So anyway, guys, again, just wanted to show you guys Richard's microfit factory second, economy grade, very good quality. They started at 59 bucks as of the date of this video. They were 59 bucks. So if you're thinking something maybe for Christmas, a cool project to replace a family heirloom stock, or something like I did where I was an idiot and broke the stock, nice option. Custom rollover. Alright, you guys. Again, Merry Christmas. Have a Happy New Year. Be sure you thank your FedEx and UPS delivery men and USPS guys. We spend all night long usually delivering to you guys, especially UPS. UPS really stays out there quite a bit. So, alright, you guys. Merry Christmas.